Good morning, students. Very good morning. Today we shall discuss composition of functions. Okay, what is the definition of composition of functions? Let us take two functions f from a to b, f from a to b, yes, and g from b to c, yes, b to c. This is g. Okay. टू फंक्शंस क्या क्या है f from a to b and g from b to c. f from a to b and g from b to c are two functions. Here let us take any element from a. For example, let us take x from a. X belongs to a. What is the element of b? Yes, very good. F of x. F of x belongs to b. Why? You can give input x, then you can apply the f. F of x belongs to b. Very good. Next one, what is the element of c? Very good. F of x belongs to b, then what is the element of c? Very good. G of, here function क्या है? g. G of, here element क्या है? F of x. So g of f of x belongs to c. F mapping from a to b, g mapping from b to c are two functions. Then g circle f mapping from a to c is called a composition of f and g. G circle f mapping from a to c. Okay, it is denoted by g circle f. G circle f. Here sometimes we are also using like that. Very easy method, triangle method. This is most important. F from क्या है? F from A to B. Yes, F from A to B. G from क्या है? B to C. Okay. Then what is the composition of F and G? Here G circle F नीचे से ऊपर. G circle F. G circle F. Always. Okay. Always नीचे से ऊपर. Here G circle F mapping A to C is called a composite function of F and G. Understand? Here observe here bottom to top G circle F. Then G circle F mapping from A to C is called a क्या है? Composition function. Okay, do you want definition? Okay. Now I am writing. Don't worry. Here let F mapping from A to B, G mapping from B to C be two functions. Okay. Then the composition of F and G denoted by G circle F. G circle F is defined as the function G circle F. Function क्या है? G circle F. You can take two functions, then composition function क्या है? G circle F. That is only one function. G circle F is the function from A to C. Is given by G circle F of what is the element? Here G circle F from A to C. What is the element in A? X. So G circle F of X is equals to, सर्किल रिमूव करना पड़ेगा, ब्रैकेट यूज करना पड़ेगा. G circle F of X is equals to G of F of X. G of f of x for all x belongs to A. For all x belongs to A. This is called a composite function. Or understand? Yes, very good. Next, some examples are there. Then now we can solve here. What? Example 15 देख लीजिए. Example 15 सभी देख लीजिए. Let F mapping from 2, 3, 4, 5 to 3, 4, 5, 9 and G mapping from 3, 4, 5, 9 to 7, 11, 15. B functions, B two functions defined as f of 2 is equals to 3, f of 3 is equals to 4, f of 4 is equals to f of 5 is equals to 5 and g of 3 is equals to g of 4 is equals to 7 and g of 5 is equals to g of 9 is equals to 11. Find G circle F. Find G circle F. This is very easy question. How it is? We can find G circle F. Yes, we can take elements given what f of 2 is equals to क्या है 3, f of 3 is equals to क्या है 4, f of 4 is equals to f of 5 is equals to क्या है 5. Very good. G of 3 is equal to G of 4 is equals to क्या है 7 and G of 5 G of 9 is equals to क्या है 11. What do we have to find? G circle F. Yes, G circle F. Okay. What is the first function of G circle F? No. G no. Why? We are also applying the first function is F. After that G. What is the definition? G circle F of X. So G circle F of X का मीनिंग क्या है? G of F of X. पहले क्या करना? F of X अप्लाई करना, बाद में क्या करना? G अप्लाई करना. So फर्स्ट फंक्शन क्या है? F of X. Understand? Okay. G circle F of F. What is the first function? F. So फर्स्ट फंक्शन का डोमेन क्या है? डोमेन फर्स्ट फंक्शन F का डोमेन क्या है? 2, 3, 4, 5. यस, पहले 2 अप्लाई करो. नेक्स्ट वन G सर्किल F फॉर ऑल, डेफिनेशन फॉर ऑल X. नेक्स्ट वन क्या अप्लाई करना? 3 अप्लाई करो. नेक्स्ट वन G सर्किल F ऑफ क्या है? नेक्स्ट एलिमेंट क्या है? 4 इज इक्वल टू G सर्किल F ऑफ क्या है? 5. वेरी गुड. नाउ G सर्किल F ऑफ 2 का मीनिंग क्या है? G ऑफ F ऑफ 2. यस, G ऑफ F ऑफ 3. वेरी गुड. G ऑफ F ऑफ 4. यस सर, नो? G ऑफ F ऑफ 5. अंडरस्टैंड? बस. F ऑफ 2 वैल्यू क्या है? 3. सो G ऑफ 3. G ऑफ 3 वैल्यू क्या है? 7. नेक्स्ट वन G ऑफ F ऑफ 3 वैल्यू क्या है? 4. G ऑफ 4 वैल्यू क्या है? 7. नेक्स्ट वन G ऑफ F ऑफ 4 वैल्यू क्या है? F ऑफ 4 वैल्यू 5. सो 5. G ऑफ 5 वैल्यू क्या है? 11. ओके. नेक्स्ट वन G ऑफ F ऑफ 5 वैल्यू क्या है? F ऑफ 5. G ऑफ 5 वैल्यू क्या है? 11. सो व्हाट इज द G सर्किल F? G सर्किल F का सेट क्या है? G circle F is equals to set of 7, 7, 11, 11. But we can't take repeat values. So we can take only 1 7 and 1 11. This is G circle F. Are understand or not? Yes, very good. This is most important question. Next one, example 16. This is number problem. Next one क्या है? Functions. Function type 16. Find G circle F and F circle G. F circle G. If F mapping from R to R and G mapping from R to R are given by F of X is equals to cos X, G of X is equals to 3x square, show that G circle F not equals to F circle G. Yes, very easy question. Okay, given क्या है? G F of X क्या है? cos X. Very good. G of X क्या है? 3x square. What? Here क्या है? G circle F find out करो. G circle F of X. So G of F of X by definition कॉम्पोजिशन ऑफ ए फंक्शन डेफिनेशन, जी सर्किल या सर्किल निकालना पड़ेगा, ब्रैकेट यूज करना पड़ेगा। जी ऑफ एफ ऑफ एक्स, जी ऑफ एफ ऑफ एक्स क्या है? वेरी गुड, कॉस एक्स। यस सर नो? जी फंक्शन क्या है? जी फंक्शन 3 इन ब्रैकेट होल स्क्वायर, दिस इज रूल। जी फंक्शन क्या है? 3 x का, ब्रैकेट यूज करो। नेक्स्ट ब्रैकेट में क्या आना चाहिए? cos x आना चाहिए। सो योर आंसर इज 3 cos square x, 3 cos square x। now this is one। second one, f circle g of x, yes, f of g of x, f of g of x क्या है? 3x square। now f function क्या है? cos of bracket, cos of bracket x है ना, so you can use bracket। ब्रैकेट में क्या है इधर? 3x square, you can write 3x square। so this is cos of 3x square, this is क्या है? 3 cos square x। so g circle f not equals to f circle g। very easy, देख लीजिए, very very easy questions are there। now 17 most important question, 17 मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट, लाइक द theorem है, theorem। ओके 17 इजी है, प्रॉब्लम नहीं। 18 देख लीजिए, 17 इजी, वेरी वेरी इजी। ओके 18, show that f, if f mapping from a to b, g mapping from b to c are 1 1, then g circle f A to C is also 1 1, is also 1 1. How? Solution. How? Okay. Here you know that what? Given F mapping from A to B and A to B is 1 1. Okay. G mapping from B to C is 1 1. Yes sir, no? Observe here, F mapping from A to B, G mapping from B to C. Then you can use triangle, like triangle type. This is F, this is A, this is B, F A to B, G क्या है? B to C. Then composition function from bottom to top. So नीचे से ऊपर क्या होएगा? G circle F from A to C, that is G circle F from A to C is a function। आ गया, function आ गया। next what we have to prove here? 1 1 function prove करना पड़ेगा। 1 1 क्या है? ये F mapping from A to B is 1 1। here observe here, most important, this is F, this is A, this is B, this is C, F from A to B, G from B to C। okay, now what are the elements in A? very good, x1 x2। what are the elements in B? you can apply F function, so F of x1, F of x2। what are the elements of C? yes, very good, G function, so G of F of x1, G of F of x2। or understand or not? देख लीजिए, very very easy। here F from A to B is 1 1। what is the definition of 1 1 function? what is the statement? बताइए, what is the statement of F is 1 1? very good, different elements have different images, means different images, different elements have different images, or same images have same elements। you know formula, F of x1 is equals to F of x2, that implies x1 is equals to x2, equation number 1। 1 1 function का definition है ना। next one, here G is 1 1। now here these are the elements, these are the images। now F from A to B, these are the elements, these are the images। but here G from B to C, these are the elements, these are the images। now you can tell images are equal G of F of x1 is equals to g of f of x2. Images are equal, then elements are equal. That implies f of x1 is equals to f of x2. Equation number 2. F is 1 1, g is 1 1. Now to prove क्या है, g circle f mapping from a to c is 1 1. प्रूव करना पड़ेगा. Yes or no? Consider g circle f of इनपुट क्या है, फर्स्ट डोमेन क्या है इधर, ये के एलिमेंट्स क्या है, x1. सो x1 is equals to g circle of f of x2. ओके, g circle of f of x1 का डेफिनेशन क्या है, g of f of x1 is equals to g of f of x2. g of f of x1 is equal to g of f of x2. That implies very good, f of x1 is equals to f of x2 because g is 1 1 from 2 लिखो बस, very easy, from 2 g is 1 1. Next from 1 देख लीजिए, from 1 f of x1 is equal to f of x2. That implies x1 is equals to x2. x1 is equals to x2 meaning क्या है, f is 1 1 from 1. Understand or not? So g circle f of x1 is equals to g circle f of x2. That implies x1 is equals to x2. Then g circle f mapping from a to c is 1 1. Observe करिए. Okay? Prove. Understand or not? Yes, very good. Now on to check करेंगे. On to say or on to functions, then on to. Okay. Okay, now here given f mapping from a to b is on to definition क्या बताइए, very good. Let b will first this one codomain b belongs to b, y belongs to b. There exist x belongs to a such that सबको पता है f of x is equals to y. Equation number 1. On to. Yes. Next, given g mapping from b to c is on to definition क्या बताइए, let z, you can take for example here x belongs to a, y belongs to b, z belongs to c. You can take like that. Okay, z belongs to c. There exists b means y belongs to b such that here f of input क्या है, ये का एलिमेंट क्या है, x. So f of x. Here b आउटपुट क्या है, b का एलिमेंट क्या है, y. So f of x is equals to y. Here let z belongs to c, there exists y belongs to b such that g function here, g of b क्या, y. So g of y is equals to z. Okay. Now we have to prove. बताइए, we have to prove. Very good. What? G circle f mapping from a to c is on to. Prove करना पड़ेगा. So what? C. बताइए, let c means z belongs to c. There exists a belongs to x and x. You can take x belongs to a such that what function क्या है, g circle f of input क्या है, input क्या है, function g circle f. Okay, here function क्या है, f input क्या है, a means x is equals output क्या है, b means y. Here function क्या है, g circle f, input क्या है, a means क्या है, x is equals to c क्या है, z. प्रूव करना पड़ेगा. Now here g circle f of x is equals to z प्रूव करना पड़ेगा. Okay, g of f of what here? G of f of x. You know that. G of f of x क्या है? F of x from 1. This is 2. Okay, from 1 क्या है? f of x y. G of y क्या है? z. Okay, like that. This is from 2. Understand or not? So g circle f of x is equals to z आ गया. So g circle of x is equals to z. Then g circle f mapping from A to C is on 2. Or understand or not? Very good, very good.